Class method differences in Python: bound, unbound and static. What is the difference between the following class methods? Is it that one is static and the other is not?
In Python, there is a distinction between bound and unbound methods. Basically, a call to a member function, like method_1, a bound function, is translated to i.e. a call to an unbound method. Because of that, a call to your version of method_2 will fail, with a type error. You can change the behavior of a method using a decorator. The decorator tells the built-in default metaclass type, the class of a class, cf. this question, to not create bound methods for method_2. Now, you can invoke static method both on an instance or on the class directly.
Methods in Python are a very simple thing once you understood the basics of the descriptor system. Imagine the following class. Now let's have a look at that class in the shell. As you can see, if you access the foo attribute on the class, you get back an unbound method. However, inside the class storage, the dict, there is a function. Why is that? The reason for this is that the class of your class implements a _get attribute _ that resolves descriptors. Sounds complex, but is not. C.foo is roughly equivalent to this code in that special case. That's because functions have a _get_ method which makes them descriptors. If you have an instance of a class, it's nearly the same, just that none is the class instance. Now why does Python do that? Because the method object binds the first parameter of a function to the instance of the class. That's where self comes from. Now sometimes you don't want your class to make a function a method, that's where static method comes into play. The static method decorator wraps your class and implements a dummy _get_ that returns the wrapped function as function and not as a method. Hope that explains it.
When you call a class member, Python automatically uses a reference to the object as the first parameter. The variable self actually means nothing, it's just a coding convention. You could call it Gargaloo if you wanted. That said, the call to method_2 would raise a type error, because Python is automatically trying to pass a parameter, the reference to its parent object, to a method that was defined as having no parameters. To actually make it work, you could append this to your class definition. Or you could use the static method function decorator.